Welcome to TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. If you've worked with imported data or complex designs, chances are you've needed to modify existing geometry. And when I say modify, I mean change the size or location of features or bodies without the use of feature recognition. Today I'll focus on two tools that allow you to do just that. The Move Face command provides the ability to manipulate geometry by altering one or more faces. Three types include offset, translate, and rotate, and these allow you to resize or relocate geometry. For example, to resize a hole, you can offset the face a specific distance and use the flip direction to toggle between increasing or decreasing the size of the hole. Another example is relocating a feature. For this, use the translate option and the triad in the graphics area. Drag the arrows to move along an axis, or the quadrant between them to move along two axes. The values can also be entered in the property manager. A similar tool used to relocate solid bodies is the Move/Copy Bodies command. The interface is similar to the Move Face command. Select one or more bodies, then either translate or rotate using the triad or the values in the property manager. With this command, an additional mode is available that mimics mates in an assembly. To activate, click the Constraints button. Here you can select faces, planes, edges, and vertices to add mates to position the body. Both of these commands generate a feature to control history of the change. These powerful tools can be used on native SOLIDWORKS designs or non-native CAD data. They avoid the steps of feature recognition and help prevent undesirable changes to downstream dependent features. A few applications that come to mind are data from other CAD platforms, either imported or read in using 3D Interconnect, complex models with many dependent features, models that were poorly planned, designs that changed dramatically, and weldments. These are all good candidates for these powerful tools that offer great design flexibility. Thanks for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursday.